Meaning of finishing line.
Finishing line.
Finishing line.
Finishing line.
Finishing line. The finishing line refers to a marked point at the end of a race or competition, where participants are expected to cross to complete the event. It represents the culmination of effort and determination put forth by competitors, signifying the end of their journey towards achieving their goals. The crossing of the finishing line is often accompanied by a sense of accomplishment, relief, and satisfaction. It marks the moment when the results of one's hard work are revealed and celebrated, and serves as a symbol of both the end of one chapter and the beginning of another.